Coming at you from Tokyo, Japan, my name is Dave, and this was sent to me by a company. They want me to have a look at this thing and let you know about it. Now, I will say that they didn't pay me to do this. They did send it to me for free, but I made it very clear that if I don't like it, I'm going to tell you. Right off the bat, the GoPro went flat. Let's open this, see what's inside of it. I don't really even know what I've got. Okay, so we got this. There's a card in there. There's nothing else in there. What is it? ATOTO? ATOTO. I'm not sure. F7WE in car entertainment. It's in Japanese. That's interesting. Car audio navigation. In video and navigation. Here's your support. All right, let's go. Yep. What do you get? We've got a microphone. I guess that is for voice activation. Cool. We have that looks fairly proprietary to me. That isn't like other manufacturers that I've seen. One thing that's worrying is that everything on there is in Japanese. Oh, that's all in Japanese too? Oh no, it's got English on one side, Japanese on the other. Nice. That is nice. Look at this. Steering wheel key. And on the back, it's got it in Japanese. That's rad. I was freaking out for a second. I can read Japanese, but not as fast as I can read English. Happy, cool. Okay, what's this? This is Wi-Fi antenna. It's written on it. What's this? Read it. Dude, we have our standard... No, there's a bunch of different brackets in there. Interesting. And the screws that go with it. A little plastic fascia surround. We've got an instruction book in Japanese. Whoa, we got... Is it all Japanese? That would be disappointing a little bit. Yeah, it's got... Yeah, but we can always go on our phone with a QR code. Warranty, online support. ATOTO pride themselves on having amazing customer support. Well, I mean, I haven't had a problem yet, so I don't know about that yet, but we'll see how we go. Hopefully we don't need it. Hopefully you don't need it either. We've got this, what is this? This is the brackets assembly guide. It is all in English. There's Japanese, and that is another language that I don't recognize. On the yeah, in other languages, but we have got English, so we're cool. And again, we have the QR code, which is really, really helpful because you lose these things. I lose these things. Here we've got the panel operation, cable connection and installation in both English and Japanese. Very handy. There's not much of this box left. How big is this thing? That's it. That's all it is. It's tiny. Wow. Cool. So if you've got a K car with not much depth, that is really going to... That's rad. Let's get a tape measure. The details for this are probably all online somewhere, but I didn't research this at all. There's a little lip here, and I'll go off that. We're looking at, if you include this red thing that sticks out, we're looking at 6 centimeters deep. And then you're going to have to plug into that, which is going to be probably this here. And you're probably not allowed to bend that super sharp. So what if we said that? What are we sort of looking at here? Yeah, you really want 8 or 9 centimeters of depth from this edge here. And then we've got an extra 4 mil between this edge and the face. It's got microphone auxiliary on the front, a SD card slot, USB slot, power and mute, volume down, volume up, back, forward, home, and microphone on the front. What outputs have we got on the back? Because I'm really big on outputs. I like my head units to have all of the outputs so that I can run multiple amplifiers. What have we got? LIN, which I guess is line in, front left, front right, rear right, subwoofer. That's all you need. You can run amplifiers off this thing. Video out 1, video out 2. You can put video out from it. This is rad. So that's the unboxing part of it. That's what's in there. I'm pretty impressed, honestly, with what I see so far. Backup cameras and stuff as well. We don't get a backup camera with it. We might have to buy one and test it out in a later video, maybe. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. I don't have Apple CarPlay, I can't test that. I'm looking forward to installing this in a car or several cars. Honestly,